Hi everybody, it's Marla Meridith. Today we are cooking a delicious recipe, Thai lettuce wraps. These are super simple, easy to make at home. There are a few ingredients that you will want to have on hand that really give it that extra delicious Thai flavor. So I don't know about you, but I'm really missing going to some of my favorite restaurants. We absolutely love Thai food, and one of my all-time favorite recipes, usually served as an appetizer at Thai restaurants, is Thai lettuce wraps. Today I'm going to be using ground chicken. You could also use ground pork, ground beef. You can even go with lamb. Pretty much use whatever ground meat is your favorite. The ground chicken's kind of a neutral flavor that really takes to the sauces. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that I inspire you to get into the kitchen to cook. It's one of the most amazing things we can do for ourselves and our families. This is a healthy recipe that I'm sure you will all love. Don't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a few times a week, and I can't wait to see you back here soon.